Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate isDirectory method of file class in Java. So let's get started. This isDirectory method of file class, okay, isDirectory method is one of the predefined methods of file class in Java. Okay, isDirectory method of the file class will return true when the file class is representing a folder. Okay. If the file predefined class is in Java is representing a folder on using this isDirectory method with that object reference of the file class, isDirectory method is going to return true if that is a folder. And isDirectory method of file class will return false when the file class is not representing a folder. If it is not representing the folder, if the file class is not representing the folder, in that case, isDirectory method will return false. Now let me demonstrate this practically, guys. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class with some different name, some random name like this. And with main method, and inside the main method, I'm going to create an object for the file class. So in this line 7, I'm going to use a file class for representing a file. Let's say like abc dot, here we have a file, right? Directly under the project, we have this file known as abc.txt. I'm going to represent that particular file like this. Hold the mouse on this file and import it from java.io package. And after this, I'll also represent, let's say I would like to represent a folder also, okay? Using the file class, I want to represent a folder. In this line 9 of this Java code, I have used a file class for representing a file here. In the line 10, I am using the same file class for representing a folder. Let's say folder A I am going to represent. Okay, in this particular project, whatever the folder A is that I am representing. Now, I want to check whether, okay, this file one is object reference declared with the file class, right? Is this file one related file class, is it representing a file or folder? Let's find out, okay? And by using this isDirectory method, I'm going to do that. So here, if I write system.out.println file1.isDirectory, if I print it like this, file1 dot is directory. If the file class is representing a file, then is directory method is going to return false. Okay. If it is a folder only, if the file class is representing the folder only, this is directory method will return true. But here in this case, the file1 related file class is representing a file, not the folder. So is directory method is going to return false. Run this code. False will be printed. Similarly, if I write system.out.println folder1 dot is directory, if I say, so here is directory method is going to return true here because the folder one related file class is representing a folder. So is directory method will return true now. You say true will be printed. You say true got printed. So we can also write the code like this. If file one dot is directory, if it is a directory, if it is a folder, then print out like this. It's a folder. Else print out it's not a folder. It's not a folder. Okay, it's not a folder. It's not a folder. I'll write. Similarly, if folder one dot is directory, folder one dot is directory, here I'll write down system.out.println, it's a folder. Else, a double quote should be there, guys. Okay. Then here I'll write down system.out.println, it's not a folder. So here what will be printed, guys? In this first if else block, since file one related file class is representing a file, not a folder, so is directory method will return false, because of which if false will take you to the else block and it's not a folder will be printed here. And the second case where the folder one related file class is representing a folder, so is directory method when used with the folder one will return true. Since if it is true, we'll go to the if block and here it's a folder will be printed. For the first one, it's not a folder. For second one, it's a folder should be printed. Run this code and see that first it's not a folder, then it's a folder, okay, which is working perfectly fine. So this is how we have to use isDirectory method of the file class in Java. Okay, and this isDirectory method of the file class will return true if that file class is representing a folder, then isDirectory will return true. If the file class is not representing a folder, then isDirectory will return false. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.